evening, all of you. Yesterday we learned in English associating the name of a letter with its sound. And today's topic is questions for practice on the same topic, associating the name of a letter with its sound. There are 4 types of questions will be asked in this topic. Here, first type is to find hidden letter in the given picture. Means you have to find hidden letter in given picture. Suppose 3 examples are there here. First, second and third. In first picture, here hidden letter is C. Means you have to choose the option C for this picture. Here in second picture, here H is hidden letter. So your answer is H. And in third picture, here 2 letters are hidden. First is S and second is O. Choose correct option by observing this figure. Means hidden letter in the given picture. A single picture or many pictures are given. You have to find here letter which is hidden in given picture. Now type second is to find missing letter in sequence. Here are examples. Suppose example number 1, A, B, dot, dot, D. Means here if you read from A to Z, then you will get here A, B, C. So C is missing here. In second example here, N is missing here. And in third example, X, Y, Z, W means before X there is W. So here W is missing. So type second is to find missing letter in sequence. Now type third is same and different sound of a letter. Yesterday we learned sounds of vowels and consonants. By using this concept, you have to find here same and different sound of particular letter. Examples are like this. Suppose 4 words are given and question will be asked like this: which word is pronounced differently? Suppose first example, girl, give, giraffe, give. Here girl pronounced as g, give as a g, gift also g, but giraffe is pronounced z. So different pronunciation is option number 3. Now there, the, then. Now here joint letters the, but in second option pronunciation is d, so this is differently pronounced. Here see in third example, sun, hut, put and t. Here in sun U is pronounced as a. In hut U is also pronounced as a. In t U is also pronounced as a. But in third option put U is pronounced as U. U is pronounced as U. So this is different option. Now type 4 is questions based on alphabetical order. See first question. Which of the following sets of letters is not in alphabetical order? Here are 4 options. First one C, D, E, F, L, M, N, O. Third option is H, G, I, J. Fourth option is U, V, W, X. If you start reading from A to Z, you will see here C, D, E, F is in sequence, L, M, N, O is in sequence, U, V, W, X is in sequence, but H, G, I, J is not in sequence. So your answer is third. Means which of the following sets of letters is not in the alphabetical order? Your option is third, H, G, I, J. Now see second question. Which word comes third in alphabetical order? While arranging given words in alphabetical order, see first or the word which start with G here. Here C, here H, B. Means initial letter. See initial letter of each word. Here G, here C, here H and here B. By observing this, all these 4 initial letters, which letter is come first? Which letter comes first? First is bold. Means this first. Then B. After B there is C. After C there is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is third. And GH. This is 4. Now see here, which word comes third in alphabetical order? Means first one is bold, second one is cold, third one is gold, and fourth one is hold. You have to find here third. Third means gold. Your option is option number 1. Now see here, third question. Choose the correct alphabetical order of letters from the given option. Here, S, D, M, P, Q. Once again, if you read from A to Z, then you will see here which letter comes first. Here, S, D, M, P, Q means D is come first. D. Then second, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M comes second. N, O, P. P is third. Q is fourth. And S is last letter. Fifth letter. Now see, first option is D, P, M, S, Q. Here D, M, P, S, Q. Second option is M, P, D, S, Q. Third option is P, S, Q, D, M, and fourth option is D, M, P, Q, S. So your answer is for D, M, P, Q, S. Means this is the correct alphabetical order of given letter. Your answer is option number 4. In this way, today we have learned questions for practice associating the name of a letter with its sound. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel, My Dream. Thank you.